In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini 3, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Information located at the top and select Add Contact under Emergency Contacts. Now tap on the contact that you wish to add and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. After selecting all of them, if you wish to remove some, you can always click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!